Okay, so what we're gonna do here is it's like the serpentine, but it's more extreme. So this is things falling off a vehicle as you're driving down the road. Top of a car, a luggage rack opens up and the luggage falls off. A lawn truck, the debris comes out of. But you're going down the road, something falls off a vehicle and you have to avoid it. This is why you look in your rear view mirror and your side mirrors. Make sure you know what's around you. Because remember, you cannot swerve into another lane if somebody's there, because then you cause an accident. So this is if the lanes are open around you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over to the right and we're gonna miss it. Now I want you to think of a skier coming down a hill, okay? Because as a skier comes down the hill, the reason they turn is to slow up. The car's similar to that. So when you turn, you're actually slowing the car up. If you straighten out, which is what my students typically do, as they go faster through here, they straighten out. We call it fishing. But what happens is they stay so close to the cones, they hit them, and they're not turning, so it doesn't slow the car down. And I'm gonna turn hard. And notice how the front of the car switches, the weight shifts. Okay, and we're gonna go through here again, and I'm gonna go faster. Okay? So I'm gonna go faster. And watch the front of the car. Okay.